Hello everyone, it's November 20th. We came very close to a freeze last night, and the next 2 days are real likely we'll get a freeze. So I'm going to get these sweet potatoes cleaned up. If you remember from an earlier video, we had 1, 2, 3 big tubs that we planted, and I think I did 3, 3, and 2 on the slips. So I'm going to cut this back and we're going to find out what's in here. This has been a good spot. Get a lot of sunshine. And it's kind of alright if they run around in this area. Okay, I'm going to dump out the first one here. Well, somebody was hungry. Yeah, I did them in pots to keep this from happening. Alright, let's try and see what we have in here. Look at that. Still got the critters getting in here eating everything. Unbelievable. Now they're, see? Still getting in and eating. Hey, I did them in pots to prevent that. We had some nice stuff here going. I hope this is not a sign of how the other one's going to be. This is looking better. Wow. Look at the root structure. Wow. Hope there's some potatoes in here. Hey, this one was a whole lot more really loose stuff. There's a potato. Oh, look at that one. There's a beauty. Oh boy. Yeah. This is looking better. Oh, look at that. Holy mackerel. How's this for a pot? Wow, there's more. Oh, there's a nice potato. Good start. Looks like it from the beginning here. There we go. Another one. Another one. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh boy. More. Alright, I want to get all these into a big tub so I can weigh them. The best part is you look at this and you go, man, this thing is all mangled. Well, we cut them up and do them in a pressure cooker to cook them anyway. So it doesn't matter what they look like. It's something that we've learned the last couple of years is that they all taste the same. This shape and this shape taste the exact same. And when you've cut them up to put them into a pressure cooker, it doesn't matter what they look like before you cut them up. They're just gorgeous. These are just incredible. So in my 3 tubs, 1 tub was a bust. The critters got through the holes, I guess, on the bottom and ate everything. But the other 2 tubs have produced all of this. Now if you look back, I did a video of when I set up those 2 tubs and planted everything. I'll keep some of these roots to be my starters for next year. It's November 20th now, so it won't be that long before we'll be starting. Alright, going to carry these over to the scales. It's a heavy tub. Let's see if I can get it down. I gotta wait. Let's see if I can see it. It turned itself off. We'll have to do it again. I think it said 47. £42. 42.5 pounds. Not bad for 2 plastic tubs. Check the video to see how I started them. Here's how they end. Now these will go underneath the shed for a couple of weeks to let them harden off and sweeten up, and then we'll be ready to start eating on them. And we'll be eating these, wow, all winter long. Sweet potatoes is what's on the menu. Thank you for watching.